How to be happier. Try our 6 suggestions to improve your happiness, sense of control, and ability to handle life's challenges and difficulties. Please consider subscribing and liking this video. 1. Get proper rest. An adult needs, on average, 7 to 8 hours of sleep in order for their body and mind to be completely rested. Before going to sleep, organize your thoughts and remove any distractions from your head by creating a to-do list for the following day. 2. Talk and communicate. It's important to communicate, whether it's with a friend, relative, or therapist. Instead of holding tension inside, talking things out can help you let it out. Your connections and relationships with others are strengthened as a result. 3. Increase your courage. Your ability to deal with the ups and downs of life depends on your perseverance. Your perseverance will increase if you can extract value from difficult situations. 4. Maintain a healthy lifestyle. Limit your alcohol consumption. It's tempting to drink alcohol at difficult times since it numbs painful feelings. However, it may increase some emotions and give you an angry or furious mood. Additionally, it may worsen your depression. Learn more about the negative effects of alcohol on your health and find easy ways to limit your use. 5. Control your level of stress. Find strategies to reduce your stress if you experience a lot of it, such as by picking up some time management skills. Breathing exercises can be beneficial if you also experience anxiety. Try this stress reduction breathing exercise. 6. Enjoy being yourself. Engaging in activities you enjoy is ideal for your emotional health. Your day can be improved by doing something as simple as watching sports with a friend, taking a bath, or meeting up with friends for coffee. 7. Improve your self-esteem. You can define self-esteem as how you feel about yourself. The best method to boost your self-esteem is to treat yourself with the same respect and kindness you'd show a close friend. 8. Select a diet that is balanced. You might feel emotionally stronger by making wise diet choices. Your self-esteem is boosted since you're taking good care of yourself. Your body and brain both function more efficiently when you eat well. Aim for a balanced diet that contains foods from all of the major food categories. 9. Do a workout. Even mild exercise causes your brain to release feel-good hormones. Pick a workout that you like to do. Do it with a friend if that helps, or play some music. Aim for 200 minutes per week for adults. That's it for this video. Stay tuned for more videos by subscribing to this channel.